Hello everybody, welcome to Dandelion Cottage and Watercolor Wednesday. I'm Leslie Watkins. I'm having some technical difficulties here, so my apologies if you've been waiting for me to go live. I'm not sure what's happening. There are some new settings with my software here. So there we are. Okay, I'm pretty sure we're live now. Okay, my apologies. I've I've started the video 3 times already today, and thinking that I had a live audience. I've been talking to you like crazy. It's 12:16, so I'll catch you up on what I've done so far. This is a painting with ink in the watercolor tradition using stamps, and I'm using the Beauty of Tomorrow stamp set, and I'm creating a background paper that I will be using on future projects. And I just want to mention before we get going that we're in the midst of Sale-A-Bration, which is a special promotion that goes on twice a year. And it's going on right now. And what that means is that for every $50 or $100 you spend, you get to select free product. And that can be dies, stamp sets, papers, specialty papers, all sorts of stuff. And I am going to be presenting a design journal workshop coming this fall that's going to be really great. And if it's easy, if you haven't done much paper crafting before, this would be a great way to get started. And if you need tools and materials to do that, this is a great time to get yourself ready for the upcoming workshops. Also, Christmas is right around the corner. It's not too soon to start getting your holiday cards ready. And there are a lot of new holiday stamp sets in the new mini catalog. And if you'd like one of those, please let me know. I'd be happy to send you one. Just direct message me or send me an email, or go to my website at dandelioncottagedesign.com, where you can subscribe to my newsletter Notes from Dandelion Cottage, and you will be able to get all of the information there. So let me just check what we have here. This is because I started stamping before we were live. I've already got some images on my paper here, and I've got some crushed curry, old olive, rich raspberry, and blackberry bliss. Okay, and I'm just using my water painter, and I'm just going to add a little color to these leaves. This is based on the plants that are currently blooming in my garden right now, the goldenrod and the joe pye weed. And if you're out there, tell me, did you actually see any I'm wondering if you could see any of the previous starts that I did today while I was trying to get this video going, because I was talking for quite a long while before I realized that it didn't seem to be working. So I don't know if I was talking to myself or if you heard any of that. So let me know if anything appeared on the Facebook page. So I'm just kind of dabbing some color around. This is meant to be a very loose design. and I will be tearing this up into little pieces, and I'm going to be adding some of the gold embossing powder to it to give it a little bit of extra sparkle. And I'm just softening up these lines. I'm not adding any additional ink to these because they're dark enough, and I can just add a little bit of water and get that really nice soft effect. Hey Jocelyn, Teresa, Kelly, Ginger. Okay, yeah, that Ginger, that 4-second loop was me trying to figure out the new interface because it's completely changed. And then I thought I figured it out. I will have to practice so that we don't run into this problem going forward. But thank you for sticking with me. I appreciate that. Okay, I'm just adding a little more water. I want to keep this nice and soft because basically what I'm trying to accomplish is to get a overall tonality to the paper itself, so that I don't have so much of just the paper. I want to get some colors on here. Today's all about getting these colors as a background. And actually, I think my paper's drying a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and spritz it a little bit more. Got some ink on my surface here, so I pull that away. There we go.